Alright, we got another list of numbers here. Let's take a look at this one. The difference between consecutive numbers, it looks like here we're adding 5, 32 to 37. We add another 5. It looks like the difference between these two is also 5. So we have another arithmetic sequence, and the difference between consecutive numbers is 5. So we know we have a multiple of 5 involved. So every number in this list is 32 plus some multiple of 5. Alright, so that means that in order to close the gap between the numbers, so that we can convert this into a list of counting numbers, we need to divide by 5. But if you look at these numbers, they aren't divisible by 5 right now. So let's make them divisible by 5. And to do that, it looks like we could subtract 2. That would give us 30, 35, 40. Or we could add 3, which would give us 35, 40, 45. I'm just going to subtract 2. You can do it either way, but so I'm going to subtract 2. I'll get 30, 35, 40, all the way up to 85. So now they're all divisible by 5, and so we can just divide by 5, and we'll be able to close the gap. We'll get 6, 7, 8, all the way up to, what is this, 17. And now you can see the difference between consecutive numbers is just 1. So now we have counting numbers. So now let's shift it backwards so that we can get something that starts with 1. So I'm just going to subtract 5. We'll get 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 12. And there you go. There's our answer. We've got 12 numbers in this list.